Welcome in daily newspaper editorials radio program. Now headline: USAID freeze could add India in region. The Economic Times. Finally, a holistic mission minerals. India Indonesia ties as a beacon for global relations. The Hindu. Now headline in detail: USAID freeze could add India in region. The Economic Time. To extend help, it will need a circle-like body. The Trump administration's decision to freeze said humanitarian assistance in South Asia is not a game changer because of the region's over depends on debt, causing greater distress as an emerging market region. South Asia governments collectively are among the most highly indebted. Almost half of the debt is owed to multilateral creditors, followed by bilateral creditors and bondholders. In comparison, multilateral and bilateral aid flows to the region have been relatively flat, despite South Asia being the second highest recipient globally. Within these broader trends, China has consistently increased its presence as a creditor, while US engagement has been sporadic. Donald Trump effort the fold USAID into the State Department will not destabilize the debt dynamic of the region. Trump will work on all the levers of investment, trade, credit, and aid to deliver US isolation. This will also have a bearing on South Asia, which receive a big part of its remittance flows from the US, but the region's surplus workforce creates a special place for it in a world economy increasingly dependent on immigration. If it can operate within Trump's sensibility of illegal immigration, tariffs, and strategic alignment, South Asia can avoid some of the damage caused by trade fragmentation. New Delhi engagement with Washington could chart out a beneficial outcome for South Asia. This would be another way to increase India's position in its neighborhood, whose experience of conducting business with the world's biggest economies has been fraught. Finally, a holistic mission minerals. It has been an important week for building the blocks of India energy transition. A clear, holistic approach for a critical minerals policy just dead ahead of um, budget. The Union Cabinet approved the 12,400 crore nation critical minerals mission NCMN that had been announced in July 2024 budget. This was followed up by Nirmala Sitharaman announcing a telling policy set of guidelines for managing waste minerals for mining operations and duty exploitations for non-forest scrap as a source of critical minerals. India Indonesia ties as a beacon from global relations. The Hindu. Anandya Bakery, chair of the Indonesia Chamber of Commerce and Industries KADIN and the CEO of Bakeries and Brothers. It was a great honor for this right to have accompanied President Prabowo Subianto of Indonesia, who was the chief guest at India's spectacular 76th Republic Day celebrations. The magnificence of the occasion was not only reflected in the vibrant display of India's democracy, diversity of the deep and enduring relationship between the countries, which can be a beacon for wider international relations. President Prabowo's visit to India was a reminder of the importance of Indonesia's bilateral relationships with Indonesia. Their partnership, 76-year-old, continue to grow in strength and their potential to shape the future of the Indo-Pacific and the global economic is best as the two countries continue to work together through trade, security, and their geopolitical ties. They will not just strengthen then the bonds between the two great nations but also lay the foundation for a more prosperous and sustainable future for Asia and the world. Thank you.